Good day, sir. We are here to present to you our group activity called Abstraction, Abstract and Interface. I am Sam Andre Arimanes, and this is my group mates, Francis Archie M. Coronacion and Jimel John Bolivar.
Okay, let's talk about overview of the program. This program demonstrates key object-oriented programming concept in Java, such as abstract classes, interfaces, inheritance, and polymorphism. It uses the abstract class coronation with an abstract method RG and concrete method Gimwell. The interface Bolivar define the method sum. The class Jimenez extend coronation and implement Bolivar, providing implementation for the required method. The main class create an instance of Jimenez and call it method to display output. Problem it solved. The program provide a blueprint for combining shared behavior via abstract classes with customizable behavior via abstract methods and interfaces. This structure is ideal for scenario like game development or software design, where multiple entities require some common functionality. Gimwell, while allowing some specific customization, RG and some class. Abstract class, coronation. Contain an abstract method RG. Must be implemented by subclass. Has a concrete method Gimwell that print core user. Interface, Bolivar. Declare the method sum to be implemented by any implementing class. Concrete class, Jimenez. Extend coronation and implements the abstract RG methods. Implements Bolivar. Define the sum. Methods. Main class. Main. Create a Jimenez object and call it method to demonstrate functionality. Methods. Public abstract void RG. Defined in the abstract class convention. It's an abstract method, meaning it must be implemented in any subclass of coronation. The Archie method is implemented in the Jimenez class, where it output marksman user.
Public void GML, defined in the abstract class coronation as a concrete or non-abstract method. It outputs core user when called. Since it is not abstract, it can be directly inherited by the subclass Jimenez without the need to override it. Void sum, declared in the interface Bolivar, must be implemented by any class that implements the Bolivar interface. The sum method is implemented in the Jimenez class, where it outputs XPuser. Archie implements the abstract method from coronation, outputting marksman user. Sum implements the interface method from Bolivar, outputting XPuser. In the main class, creates an object of the Jimenez class, AGS. Calls the following method on the Jimenez object. AGS.Archie outputs marksman user, AGS.Jimwell outputs core user, AGS.Sum outputs XP user. Object creation. In the main class, an object of the Jimenez class is created using the new keyword. Jimenez object inherits methods from coronation and implements method from the Bolivar interface. Method invocation. Methods are called using the object AGS to demonstrate inheritance and implementation.
Key learning points. 1. Abstract classes and interfaces. Abstract classes allow shared functionality Gimwell while enforcing specific implementation RG. Interfaces define a contract sum for implementing classes. 2 is inheritance and polymorphism. The Jimenez class combines functionality from an abstract class and an interface, showcasing multiple inheritance in Java. 3. Method invocation. Objects are created to invoke inherited and implemented methods demonstrating reusability and modularity. Key learning points. Abstract classes and interfaces provide a blueprint for designing flexible and scalable systems. Polymorphisms allows a class to inherit behavior and add specific implementation Java enforces structured programming through contract and inheritance, making code more organized and reusable. So dito po sa code ay meron po tayong ang abstract po dito, abstract class po yung coronation. And dito po sa abstract method po is ito pong public abstract, ito pong archie. Tapos yung concrete method naman po is yung Gimwell na magpiprint po na core user. Tapos po, dito po, interface Balibar. Tapos, dito po ay yung Jimenez class po, in-extend po yung coronation, tapos in-implement po yung Balibar. So, yung abstract method po na Archie, magpiprint po na marksman user. So, ma-override po yung nandito po kanina sa dito po. Tapos, dito naman po sa concrete method na sum, mag-print po na XP user. So, dito naman po tayo sa main class. In-instantiate po niya yung Jimenez po. Jimenez, AGS, new Jimenez. So, dito po, ags.archie. So, dito po yon. Mauna po itong marksman user. Tapos, sunod po ay ags.gmrel. Sunod naman po, ito pong core user. Tapos, dito po sa ags.sum, ito po, XP user. So, yun lang po. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po.